video we will discuss about how to pose. So all the points I have written in this diary, I will read it throughout the video. So point number 1 is be comfortable and confident. So when you are planning to do a photo shoot with a photographer or something, know him before, like talk to him through call or messages, or if you can meet him, so go and meet him, and him or her, whoever the photographer is, just talk to them and be comfortable. Make some speeches. I do this, like joke on myself so I feel comfortable and I can pose however I want to pose. So this trick is really helpful. Be comfortable, like don't think what other people will think, if you are shooting on the public place, don't think the people roaming around will think, or whatever. However you want to pose, just pose and be comfortable. The comfortable poses are different than the awkward one. Like the poses come within, come naturally. It looks different than the, and when you are shooting in starting, when you started doing photo shoot and all, even for me when I started this all, it was little tricky, like to go on public places when everyone is staring at you, to pose there, वो भी इतना कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ. So one thing you should do is just think no one is watching you, no one is watching you, and if people does, that doesn't matter, and just go with the flow, pose however you want to be, and think like you are the queen of this universe or king of this universe. You own this whole world. So tip number 2 is make some angle with your body, like don't stand straight. And for girls you can make angle as like this type of angle. I will show in the video. Angle as so your body look more toned up and more like what we can say, fit body, and it gives a good shape to your body. When you are standing as shape, it looks good and you look beautiful, hot. So make some angle with your body, like do something with your hands or sort of things. Just don't stand straight doing nothing. So tip number 3 is practice before your photo shoot. Stand in front of mirror or tell your friends to watch at you and give some poses and tell them to correct you if you are wrong before photo shoot. So it will make you more confident and okay with your body, like confidence and comfortable with your body and your poses and your. Tip number 4 is know your angle. Like some people feel like their right side is good when they stand like this, facing toward camera, facing their right towards the camera. They feel like this is the best angle they could give while posing. Some feel left angle is good, like you can see left angle, my jawline is highlighted. Right angle, it's not that highlighted. So for me, my left angle is good. So like figure out your best angle, like what looks good on you, how you keep hands, that looks good on you, how you keep your legs, that looks good on you. You look good while sitting or look good while standing, and all stuff, like you will figure out this whole stuff while practicing. So keep practicing and know your best angle, pose according to your best angle, and picture will be best. Point number 5 is take inspiration. Take inspiration from Pinterest or Instagram or wherever you want to be. If you like someone's photo, the way they pose or whatever, just take a screenshot, keep it a screenshot in your gallery, and before the photo shoot or during the photo shoot, if you can't figure out how, you can't figure out how to pose, or so take see at that picture and show that pictures to your photographer, like how you are expecting the outcome of photo shoot, so they will be more clear that how you have visualized this photo shoot, and it will be helpful for both of you. So keep inspiration, and taking inspiration and copying is two different things. Like being inspired by someone is like you can add some element from their poses to your poses. You are not doing that exact thing, but you can be inspired and make some little changes in your. Next tip is play with your hands. Don't keep them like bare, not doing nothing. It looks really awkward. Just keep doing something like adjust in your hairs, or keep it on your waist, or keep it in your pocket, or keep it on the wall if you are standing in front of the wall, or if you are sitting on the chair. Just keep them here or there, wherever you feel comfortable. So keep doing something with your hand. Next step is give attention to the details. Like for example, don't show white part of your eyes. Like if camera is kept here, look like this. Don't look like this. You can understand what I'm trying to say is like showing more of your white part of your eyes. It makes the photo little awkward and weird. Like you can see, it looks good, but how I can explain you without looking at the camera? I will insert two pictures showing white part of my eyes and black part of. And next, don't show your palm. Like don't pose like this. Like it is little awkward showing this palm area of your hand. Like you can do this and that looks good, but showing both the palm of your hand make the photo weird. So always pay attention in the details. You will learn this small thing while posing. Keep posing and keep posing. Keep taking pictures and all this stuff. Also, one thing I have noticed in many people are when they pose, they do this awkward thing. Like, so what this does is, even if you haven't had this double chin or this part, it add double chin to your one chin, single chin. Like they get so awkward. Like so, to feel comfortable, they do this weird thing. But make your body elongate. Like just stretch it. Like what I'm trying to say. Stretch your body and be like, make your body pose straight. Not that straight, but comfortable while straight. Like your legs should be at your shoulder level and your face is slightly upward, not much but slightly. So what it does is it makes look your neck little longer than actual size, and your chin, your jawline is highlighted here. So just keep your chin little upward, your hands freely. Don't just do this and this. It looks so awkward in real life also, on photographs and videos also. So just be freely, keep your shoulders freely, your chin up, and yeah, enjoy the inspiration. If you Google how to pose, or if you search on the Pinterest, there will be millions of the articles along with the pictures. And how cool is that? You can be inspired and you can learn new things. And like, don't be shy to just type how to pose. If you don't know how to pose, it's okay. I have done this 2 years before. I have done many things. Like I have done many research, and like, don't be shy, just search how to pose. If you don't know how to pose, then cool. Next step is enjoy the photo shoot. Be playful. Just talk to your photo shoot. Keep talking to them. And if you are going on this professional photo shoot, take your friend with you. So just you both keep talking or doing some shit. So you are enjoying the process. Like enjoying process is main thing. Like I am someone, when I do photo shoot, I didn't get tired. Like my photographer get tired. My friend, my best friend, she comes with me all the time. She get tired. Like everyone get tired, and I am the one who didn't get tired. I keep many clothes with me, and I'm like, I will do photo shoot in all the clothes, and the photographer will be like, इतने सारे कपड़े. I do this all the time. Like I don't get tired. I can do photo shoot all day and all night without getting tired. So enjoy the process. Like if you really want to do this, if you really like it, you will enjoy it, and the outcome will be awesome, amazing. Even with your phone also, if you keep experimenting with angles, if you keep experimenting with poses, dresses, background, and all this stuff, it is so interesting. Like I enjoy this a lot. Next tip is plan in advance. If you are planning to do a photo shoot, plan everything, like every single thing, like your dresses, of course, your background, your accessories, like how you're gonna keep your hairs, how you're gonna stain, like what pose you will give on which background, and everything, like when, like, keep this kind of diary with you. Write pose 1, pose 2, pose 3, outfit 1, outfit 2, outfit 3. So what it will do, it will save your time, and that save some energy during the photo shoot. If everything is planned in advance, you have confidence, like you know how things will go and how you want them. So it is really good. Planning in advance really helps if you want to do a photo shoot. Yeah. Plan in advance a day before. Keep that diary with you during photo shoot. So my last tip is use some props if possible, something like some handbags or flower or maybe something. Use something you can do with your hands or play with it, just cap or something, just throw it in air. So make the photo shoot little dramatic with something flying or something, some motion, like something in motion. Throw a cape or throw flowers and all this stuff, so your pictures will look more interesting and more attractive. So using crop makes your photo more aesthetic. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it helpful. If yes, do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment.